Ever pondered the depths of possibility that lie within a single decision? Welcome to a world of endless opportunities, where one step could set you on the path to success. Today, we delve into the process of joining our innovative community. Your first step towards this exciting journey is a simple one, a modest entry fee of $199. This is your ticket, your gateway into a realm of potential growth and prosperity. Once you've made this initial investment, our communication lines are open to you. Reach out to us via WhatsApp, and our dedicated team will be ready to guide you further. There are a few essentials we require to ensure a smooth transition. Your PAN card, Aadhaar card, a recent selfie, and the first page of your passbook are necessary for us to verify your details. This is not just a formality, it's your passport to a world of opportunities. And just like that, you're in. Congratulations, you have successfully joined a dynamic, ever-evolving community. But don't stop there. If you wish to elevate your status, bring more people into the fold. Guide them through the same steps you've just completed. Remember, the more people you onboard, the more prosperous you become. If at any point you encounter issues or have questions, our team is just a message away, ready to assist and clarify. To recap, your journey begins with a small entry fee, followed by a WhatsApp message to our team. We require a few documents for verification, and then you're part of our vibrant community. The more people you bring on board, the greater your rewards. Stay tuned, as we have more exciting content on the way. Part 3 is coming soon. This is just the beginning of a thrilling journey. Welcome aboard.